Bitcoin is trading at 25.9k, and in my immediate last video I told you that the market is going to go down sluggishly, not as aggressive as we see this very move right on this very candle, and that is what we are seeing right now. And on the 4-hour chart I told you a reduced movement to the downside and then retracement is going to come into the market. ETH, Matic and ADA, all of these and more in today's analysis. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Don't forget to share this video. On the Bitcoin 1-day chart, if you look at this very area yesterday, I talked about the market moving sluggishly to the downside. And the reason for that sluggish movement is because of loss of momentum. And the market is going to lack momentum moving downward because markets don't move parabolically forever. So we're going to see the market begin to, go back to the upside in form of a retracement after this impulse. So expect the market to move sluggishly into this area, create a new low, and then market is going to retrace before continuation to the downside. And I also said that you should be paying attention to this very level of important support, that is this very area right here, and that is where the market is going to come into after the retracement we are expecting, and then the next continuation is going to come into this area of $21,000 and $20,000. And this is what I am still paying attention to. Look for sell opportunity, but right now don't sell the market because the market is going to retrace back to the upside and then continue back down. And on the 4-hour chart right here, I told you the market is going to move a little bit downward, and then we're going to see that very retracement. What you should be expecting on the 4-hour chart on the immediate short term is this retracement to come in right now. Don't expect any further move to the downside. That means don't short the market where the market is right here, and don't also buy the market. The reason why you should not buy the market is because you cannot practically tell where the retracement is going to stop. So retracement can stop anywhere. You can only predict that it's going to stop at this point because this area is a resistance level. So wait for the retracement to come into the market. That is what I am expecting right now from this very area to the upside. And then at the end of retracement, which we will know from the way the retracement is going to the upside, and then after the end of retracement, market is going to continue back down. So you're going to take a short position at the end of retracement for market to continue its movement to the downside. So wait for retracement to come into the market right now on the 4-hour chart. And on ETH chart right here, you see the market is going to go down sluggishly and create a new close. That means the market is going to close below this very area. What we see right here is the market come back down, and then from this area rejection, and market close at this very point. So I am expecting the market to come back down and create a new close lower than this very close at this very area on the chart. So this is what I'm expecting right now. Just expect a little sluggish movement downward, and then retracement is very, very important, because what we are waiting for right now is the market to retrace before continuation. Don't sell the market where it is right now. Wait for the market to retrace. Retracement is going to definitely come into the market. If market did not retrace significantly, then market is going to consolidate. Consolidation is another form of market pause, market gathering momentum before continuation to the downside in this very case. So this is what I am expecting to happen on the chart right now on the 1-day chart ETH. And if you look at the MACD is still having great momentum to the downside with increased red bar right here on the MACD histogram. This is also an indication that the market is going to move to the downside. And on the 4-hour chart on ETH, what I said yesterday, market is going to go down a little bit, and that you should not take a short position. I told you, don't take a short position from here, and that the market is going to go down a little bit before it will definitely go back up for retracement. So that is that very movement right here. We are going to see retracement right now in the market before continuation back to the downside. It will be very fine for you to take a short position at the end of retracement. So what you need to do at the moment is to wait for the market to retrace. Then at the end of retracement, market is going to continue to the downside. That is when you have to short the market from the end of retracement for continuation of this very impulsive move to the downside. This is what you need to pay attention to right now on the ETH 4-hour chart. It also means that if you are a counter trend trader, a buy position is very possible at this area, but it's not advisable for you to take a buy position in a downtrending market. Nevertheless, you wait for the market to retrace, and then continuation, you short the market from this very area. That is the right way to do it. And on the Matic chart, if you look at Matic did not really go down after yesterday's video. They come down a little bit to this very point, and right now we want to see retracement or consolidation. Those are the two things that happen in the market after a great move to the downside. So right now, pay attention to the market retracing. Market should retrace significantly upward and then come back down for continuation of this very big move to the downside. And then after this retracement, is a good time to short the market for the market to come back right down. You have to define when market retracement have end, and I have a couple videos on this channel that actually explain how to identify that. And on ADA, if you look at this, practically yesterday I told you the market is going to go down a little bit and then continuation. From here, you see the market go down a little bit, and then right now we are seeing the market approaching the upside for good retracement. So expect this market to continue its retracement formation and then come back to the downside. And the levels I said you should pay attention to is this level of support and this very level of resistance. So this very area is where I am expecting the market to end before continuation to the downside. That means it will be good for you to take a short position at the end of retracement, possibly between this price level of 0.286 and this very level of 0.277. This is where I am expecting this retracement to pause before continuation back to the downside, and that is when you should take a short position on futures. This is what you should be paying attention to on all these various charts. If you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading, check the description of this video, see contact and reach out to me right now for training. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.